These skeleton AI educational shorts are blowing up right now. Millions of views. But here's the truth. 90% of people trying to copy this format are doing it completely wrong. They either mess up the anatomy or the storytelling feels boring, and that's exactly why their videos die at 200 views. But in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact method to create these high retention what-if skeleton videos from scratch, including the best strategic blueprint to set up a brand new Instagram account, YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Facebook page for this niche, and position it for viral momentum within the first 5 days. This is not a theory. This is a real AI system. Before I teach you how to make it, let me show you what you're about to unlock. Here's one example. What if you take a painkiller pill? What actually happens inside your body? Watch this.
If you swallow a painkiller pill for relief,
it slides down the esophagus, disappearing from sight.
Next, stomach acids begin dissolving the tablet into active compounds.
Then, molecules pass through the lining of the small intestine into circulation.
Next, relief-triggering chemicals enter the bloodstream and disperse rapidly.
Then, they travel upward toward the brain's pain processing center.
Pain signals between injured nerves are disrupted and weakened.
See how the pill travels, how the organs react, how the skeleton explains everything visually? That's not random. That's engineered. Now let me show you another one. What if you eat raw chicken? Let's preview this too.
If you eat raw chicken meat, bacteria enter your mouth instantly.
They slide down your esophagus.
Your stomach acid attacks aggressively.
Notice the tension, the movement, the internal journey. This is the exact style that keeps viewers watching till the last second. And the best part, you don't need editing skills, you don't need animation knowledge, you don't need a medical degree. I've already engineered a master prompt that does the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is copy it. Open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt. Next, write your topic idea in this insert topic placeholder. For this example, I'm entering what happens when we take painkillers, how it works. Finally hit the send button, and within seconds, ChatGPT will begin generating complete narration dialogue, scene-by-scene image prompts, detailed video animation prompts. Now we move to the visual creation part. Next, we will generate images for all the scenes. To do this, simply copy the image prompt for scene 1. Then go to gemini.google.com to access Google Gemini. Once you're inside, select the Create Image option, the one with the banana icon. Important. Make sure the Pro option is selected if you want the highest quality image output from these prompts. Now, paste the copied image prompt for scene 1 and hit send. Within seconds, Gemini will generate your cinematic skeleton scene, and here's the result. You can see how the skeleton character is perfectly rendered with translucent glass-like skin. This is exactly the kind of visual that instantly hooks viewers in the first 2 seconds. Similarly, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, again, paste it inside Google Gemini, hit send. Within seconds, your scene 2 image is ready, crisp, cinematic, consistent character design. Now repeat the exact same process. Scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7. No guessing, no redesigning, no character inconsistency. And as you can see, every single image maintains the same skeleton style, same lighting, same emotional tone. This consistency is what makes your short look professional instead of random. Now comes the powerful part, and we're going to convert these static images into viral video clips. To do this, go to flow.google to access Google Flow. Once you're inside, open a new project. Now select the frames to video option first. Very important. Make sure Veo 3.1 fast is selected. This model gives you smoother motion and faster render time. Next, upload your scene 1 image into the first frame. Once the image is uploaded, change the orientation to portrait because we are creating YouTube Shorts format. Now you can see the image has successfully loaded into frame 1. Next step, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the image to video prompt for scene 1, paste that prompt into Google Flow, and hit send. In just a few seconds, bingo! Your scene 1 video clip is ready. Let's preview it.
If you swallow a painkiller pill for relief,
notice the subtle motion, the camera push, the natural movement. This is what transforms a simple AI image into a high retention cinematic short. Now repeat the same process. Scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and all remaining scenes. Within minutes, you will have all your animated clips ready. Now, before we jump into editing everything together, let's remove these watermarks from the video. And yes, we're going to do it for free. Let me show you how. Simply go to google.com and search for Veo 3 watermark remover. In the search result, click on the first link that says real money. The best part is you do not even need to log into this website to remove watermark. Simply upload the video clip, then click this remove watermark now button, and within few seconds, bingo, watermark have been completely removed from the video clip. Similarly, you can remove the watermark from all the video clips for free. Now, once you have your clean video clips ready, open your favorite video editor, import all the clips, drag them into the timeline in the correct sequence, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, all the way to the last scene. Now, here's a small retention trick most beginners ignore. If there are any silent gaps, dead frames, or slow moments, trim them. Keep the pacing tight. I do not recommend adding any transitions, no flashy effects, no spinning zoom cuts. However, you can add a strong title text in the beginning, something bold, something curiosity driven. Now, once everything looks smooth, export your video, set the resolution to 2160 by 3840, 4K vertical, and set the quality to high. Hit export, and that's it. You've just created a fully animated, psychologically structured, high retention AI skeleton short from scratch. No animation skills, no medical degree, no expensive production team, just a free AI system. Now, creating the video is only half the game. If you really want this video to go viral, you need viral metadata, and that's where most creators completely fail. So to solve this, I've crafted a highly engineered metadata master prompt. And the best part, with this one master prompt, you can generate optimized metadata for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform without rewriting everything manually. Here's how it works. Simply copy the metadata master prompt. Open ChatGPT, paste it. Now enter your topic inside the topic idea placeholder. For example, what happens when we take painkillers? Then enter the platform where you want to publish. Now hit send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete viral metadata package customized specifically for that platform, and it includes a scroll-stopping viral title, a high-retention SEO-optimized description, platform-optimized viral hashtags, a psychologically designed pinned comment to boost engagement. This is important. Each platform has different algorithm triggers. What works on YouTube won't always work on TikTok. What works on Instagram might flop on Facebook. This master prompt adjusts tone, keyword density, hashtag structure, and engagement triggers automatically. Now, if you want to set up a brand new YouTube channel, or a fresh Instagram account, or a TikTok account, or even a Facebook page for this niche, then this is where things get serious, because I've created an engineered master prompt that you will not find anywhere on YouTube. But before I reveal it, you need to understand what it actually does. This is not a simple name generator. This master prompt is specifically engineered for the skeleton educational shorts niche. And the best part, it works for any platform. You just enter the platform name in the placeholder. That's it. Now here's what this master prompt is designed to generate. A complete zero to viral launch system, including branding strategy, full SEO setup, visual identity AI prompts, first 30-day posting roadmap, algorithm warm-up method, publishing timing strategy, authority building framework, growth acceleration plan, beginner mistakes to avoid, realistic viral timeline, and everything is customized to the platform you choose. Now let's say you select YouTube. The prompt will generate over 20 hyper-specific launch assets, including 5 viral channel name ideas, SEO optimized channel description, complete channel tags list, profile picture AI prompt, banner/cover, image AI prompt. channel trailer strategy, shorts first versus hybrid strategy, first 5 video topic plan, when to publish your first video, when to publish your second video, ideal gap between uploads, ideal weekly frequency, first 30 days, what to do immediately after publishing, what not to do, 48-hour algorithm, warm-up strategy, how to trigger browse plus suggested, comment seeding strategy, external traffic boost strategy, expected timeline for first 10,000 views, first 1,000 subscribers, authority positioning strategy, growth multiplier strategy, after first viral short, common beginner mistakes in science shorts. That's not a prompt, that's a blueprint. And if you select TikTok, it adapts to TikTok algorithm mechanics. If you select Instagram, it adjusts for Reels behavior. If you select Facebook, it optimizes for Facebook's discovery model. Everything changes automatically based on platform psychology. Now, here's the master prompt. All you have to do is fill the platform in the placeholder, paste it into ChatGPT, and generate your complete launch system. Now, I strongly recommend using the Skeleton Educational Master Prompt for maximum control. But if you want an easier shortcut, I've created a custom GPT for you. Here's how to access it. Go to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for 3D skeleton shorts. You'll see the custom GPT created by Zapaiwala AI. Click it, then click Start Chat. Now you'll see ready-made options. For example, I select, what if we eat raw chicken meat? Hit send, and instantly the custom GPT generates voice tone style, narration script, image prompts, video prompts, scene breakdown, and even metadata, all structured, all aligned. And just like before, you can copy the image prompts to generate visuals, then use the video prompts to animate them. So yes, the custom GPT makes everything easier, but if you truly want maximum control and advanced optimization, use the master prompt system. Now, before you leave, if you genuinely learned something new from this video, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel, it truly helps. All the prompts are in the pinned comment, and I want to ask you something. What was the one biggest thing you learned from this tutorial? Drop it in the comments. Let's target 1,000 likes on this video. And if you want another completely fresh viral AI niche, you must watch the junk food arrest tutorial next. That one will completely shift how you see AI content. I'll see you inside that video.